How to export Telegram chats. Hey everybody, welcome back. So in order to export your Telegram chats, you'll need to use the Telegram desktop application, as this feature is currently not supported on mobile app or standard web version as well. So what you need is, first thing first, you have to ensure that the Telegram let me just actually show you on the desktop. So quickly I'm gonna switch it to my laptop or a desktop version. So here I am in the desktop version. So what you need is, actually you have to install the Telegram, not the web version as well. Just I'm going to show you. So if you are using the web version, you want to go to web.telegram.org, right? And after which you just want to open a chat that you wish to export. Here I have these chats. Now in the right hand side corner, you could see the chats pop up, right? So now to export it, you just need to tap onto the three dot icon, and there you will be able to find these export chat or clear chat history, something like that options. You just need to select that out, and then you want to make sure to select the file destination or the location as well. And that is where you have to go ahead and export it. It might take a while. Just make sure you're connected to a stable internet. And that is the simplest thing you could do in order to export your Telegram chat. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.